Okay, today we're going to be changing out the battery on the 2014 Honda 400X. Now we got to replace it. 10mm bolt there. Underneath the wires up here is another 10mm bolt, and then you this bracket will come off, and then you slide the battery out. This machine has its plastics on. We're going to go look at the other one, since it's always nice to have another one. Doesn't everybody? So over here on this one, since there's no plastic, you get a better view of what I'm talking about. Back there is your 10mm bolt, and then another 10mm bolt right there, and then that strap comes out, and then the battery slides out. This one over here is also a 10mm bolt, but it's a regular style screwdriver. Okay, one thing I noticed right away when I took these out, these are like a brass bolt, and I was just checking, and they're not magnetized. They're not metal. I thought it might have been a coating, but they are brass style, so that means it's not going to corrode. I got these machines in 2020, and I haven't done any battery changes on them, so they're at least going on 6 years old for me, so that's a good long time. And I keep them on battery tenders. So alright, we're going to dig in here a little bit more. Okay, so I got the top and the bottom bolt out. The top one is a little bit of a bear because it's underneath. It's behind that electrical pack right there. It's going to be real fun putting it back in. They give you a little room down here to get a screwdriver in and help you get this out, because it is like a tight fit. But so just slide right out, and there it is. Okay, then you bring this the battery out of the box. Okay, it's working so easy. I'm gonna do it stupid here. 10 minutes into my job. Alright, just turn it upside down for those at home. There you go. YTX9BS. There you go. Honda. So this looks like a original one. Got all the rubber bumpers in there, so I don't need nothing replaced. Okay, we're going to take the new one and just drop it right in the box. Just like that. Okay, so now we're just going to take our battery and set it back in the battery holder. There you go. Goes in all the way like that. Alright, now this one is going to be the one that kills me. Getting that back inside. This here somehow comes off, but I don't know how. It'd be a lot easier if I could figure out how. I can probably just take the whole thing off of there. So I just use the needle nose to pop off that to get me more access easier in there, so I can get back in there and put the stuff back on. Well, that top one went a little easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be there a long time. So it wasn't as bad as I had anticipated. Put this back in there. Yep, snapped right into place. Hook up my two cables, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so now it's all tightened up. We're ready to start it up. Get these quads out of here today. Hopefully we'll be out on the ice in a while. Hopefully.